Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile Multiplayer. To begin, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, simply tap on the multiplayer button. You will then be presented with various game modes. Select one, such as Team Deathmatch or Frontline, to jump right into the action. Always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection for the best possible experience and to avoid any frustrating lag during your matches. Understanding the objectives of each game mode is crucial for success. For instance, in Team Deathmatch, your primary goal is to eliminate enemy players until your team reaches a score of 50 kills. In Domination, the aim is to capture and hold 3 specific control points across the map, earning points over time. Familiarizing yourself with these goals will significantly improve your team's chances of victory and your overall enjoyment. Your loadout is your personal arsenal, and customizing it wisely is key. You can equip a primary and secondary weapon, along with lethal and tactical equipment like grenades or smoke bombs. Don't forget to choose perks that boost your character's abilities, such as increasing your movement speed by 10% or reducing reload time by 20%. Adding attachments like scopes and grips will also greatly enhance your weapon's performance. To truly excel, adopt smart gameplay strategies. Always use cover to protect yourself from incoming fire and to surprise opponents. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through quick pings or voice chat, can turn the tide of a match. Spend time learning the intricate layouts of each map. Knowing the best routes and common enemy positions will give you a significant edge over your adversaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.